Big Rock Hosting Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get web hosting wrong. They assume all providers are equal in performance, support, and security. The surprising truth about Big Rock Hosting is that it offers affordable hosting options with solid uptime, and you won't believe how easy it is for beginners to set up a website quickly. Here's how it works. Big Rock provides shared, VPS, and dedicated hosting with one-click installations for WordPress and other popular CMS platforms. It also offers domain registration, email hosting, and SSL certificates to secure your website. For example, a small business owner can register a domain, set up WordPress, and have a live website in less than an hour. Most people get this wrong. They assume low-cost hosting sacrifices reliability, but Big Rock maintains competitive uptime rates and responsive support. Additional features include cPanel access, automated backups, website builder tools, and customer support by chat and ticketing. Users praise affordability, simplicity, and ease of getting started even without technical knowledge. However, there are considerations. Shared hosting can be slower during traffic spikes, and some advanced features are limited compared to premium providers. Most people assume hosting performance is guaranteed like any shared provider. Results vary depending on site traffic and optimization. In conclusion, Big Rock Hosting is ideal for startups, small businesses, and personal websites looking for cost-effective, beginner-friendly hosting with essential features. Subscribe for more honest reviews of hosting and website services.